Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set animated wallpaper on your PC Windows 11. So if you're currently using a Windows 11 computer, you can easily set animations or videos on your PC. And this is going to make it look super cool, bring your Windows alive. So the first way how you can do this is by using the Windows Spotlight. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So right click on your Windows icon here and go to settings, guys. And on the left hand side, you want to click on personalization. Now click on backgrounds here at the top. And you want to go ahead and switch this from pictures and select the Windows Spotlight. This is going to change this on Windows and it's going to make the pictures change from time to time, which makes it feels alive. It is dynamic, and you will see that this is one of the easiest way how to make your desktop feel alive. Windows will refresh the backgrounds daily and it's going to make it feel dynamic, and you'll see different pictures here on your PC. So that's the first way. Another way how you can do this if you want to have more control is by using the slideshow option. So this is the slideshow, so you can select slideshow here. And the cool thing about slideshow is that you'll be able to choose your own folder. So you can click on browse and you can find pictures. If you have a folder on your computer, you can go ahead and select that folder and just simply choose this folder here. It's going to select the folder for you, and you can choose how often those image will be changed. So currently it's set by default to 10 minutes. You can choose that to every 1 minute, every 30 minutes, every day, every 6 hour. It's really up to you. So whichever time that you want to choose, you can choose that to have that change. Another thing that you can do is to shuffle the image so they can be random, right? So you don't have to have them change in the same order. You can go ahead and choose this option here to shuffle the pictures. So turn this on and those pictures will be shuffled. And this creates a dynamic animation feel to your windows and have it change automatically. So that's one cool thing. I also recommend that you have the image is set to fill, so fill and not fit, because fit is going to just make it sometimes mess up with the images. So when you have it fill, it's going to ensure that it fill out your entire screen, and it just make it looks much better and much cleaner there on your computer. Right, the next thing I want to share is that not only for your background, which is your computer right here, you can also do the same for your lock screen as well. So if you come to lock screen, you can do the browse for the folders as well. As I show you, you can go ahead and switch this to the slideshow, click on browse, select the folder. Once you do that, you will have the option as well to basically have those images change. The only difference between the background and the lock screen is that it doesn't give you the option to select the minutes or often or quickly you want those images to change. But you can use slideshow and it's going to change it for you, right? Because think about how long do you spend on your lock screen? Not very much, right? So you can easily go ahead and just have the slideshow change. And if your computer is locked, then it will change those pictures for you, rotate them and so forth. But it actually makes it feel alive. The other option is to use the Windows Spotlight. So if you have this feature turned on, then it's going to as well change those images from time to time. So you'll realize that every day you realize maybe a different image will be shown, or if your computer is locked for a long period of time, you'll realize that it changes from time to time. That makes it feel dynamic and make it feel alive somehow. So you can do it for your lock screen as well. Now, I also want to mention that if you're running the Windows 11 25 H2, then you can choose the picture option and you can upload videos, right? So you can simply browse for videos on your computer, and that will allow you to set the videos as like a live wallpaper, animated wallpaper, if you want to call it that. The same goes for the background. So if you have the 25H2 on your Windows 11, you can go to browse and you can choose the picture option and just select a video from your computer. It will work because it supports videos. So if you have videos in let's say MP4 or AVI or MOV, you can choose those video format and it will actually work, right? You can easily find videos on Google. Let's type in, let's say, free video wallpaper or free live wallpaper or something like that. You will find lots of website that allows you to get videos. Or if you have Canva, you can download some nice videos from Canva. Or if you have your own personal videos, just upload them to your computer and you can select those on your computer, guys. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you will be able to set animated wallpaper on your PC. And I hope that this is a very straightforward Windows 11 tutorial that will allow you to set that on your computer. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.